My everyday makeup drawer is in my bathroom. It is my top drawer. I just wanted to organize and declutter it a little bit. It's kind of just a big mess. That's what today's video is gonna be. Basically what it looks like right now. Completely real. I haven't done anything to change the way it looks. This is just how it looks on the daily right now. I thought we could pull everything out, organize it, kind of go from there. If you guys like organization videos, I have a few of them actually on my channel. So I will link some of them down below. If you want to see any other type of organization videos, just comment down below and let me know, and let's get into it. So I'm quickly just gonna pull everything out, put it on my counter, kind of see what we need from there. So I took my drawer liner and shook it out over the garbage. There was just like some random dust glass in there. I'm just wiping down the drawer with the clean towel. I also like to keep this drawer liner in here that I just got from the dollar store just because it's a little bit grippy, so my products don't move around as much in the drawer, and it protects my drawer and keeps it safe from scratches from the product. I know it doesn't look organized really, but this is everything that was in there and it's the best that I could kind of do. I have like hair accessories that were in there. I put all together, put them in a different drawer, some nail file stuff, hair brushes, random jewelry, cotton ball stuff to do nails, and then I have like little tools, little scissors, nail clips, tweezers, stuff like that. I usually keep all together. Eyeshadow, so palettes, loose pigments, whatever that I use on the daily. One blush that I use every day. Done. My foundations. This is all the lip products that I have, which I think is too much. Mascaras, tons and tons of eyeliners, brushes, a powder which is clearly broken. But yeah, I'm just trying to like finish it up. And then just little essentials, eyelash glue, face cream, all sorts of stuff. So basically this drawer is pretty random because it's just the stuff I use every day. Condense it down so it's just my everyday products that are in there. It's easier for me to get ready in the morning. So my goal is just to have like 1 or 2 of each makeup item in there. So things that are almost finished. So every day I just stick to those products for the most part. I work through them faster, so I'm condensing my collection. So these are my 4 foundations. I have the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, which is my favorite. Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum. It's a gel foundation. This one looks really, really good on my skin. Out of these 4, clearly this one is the one I've been using the most. It's a really good everyday foundation. It's not the best color matte, but I am basically down to here. So I'm gonna keep this in my drawer so that I finish it up right away. And I think I'm gonna keep out the Bourjois foundation just because it's one that looks nicer than that one, a little bit nicer. The other 2, I will just move to a separate drawer. So I have 3 different primers. The first is a First Aid Beauty primer. The second one is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And the last one is the Sephora Ultra Smoothing Primer. So this one's almost done, but it's my favorite, so I save it for special occasions. This one's just a basic everyday one. This one I haven't even tried yet, so I'm gonna keep it in my drawer, finish this one first just because it has the least. I have one eyeshadow primer, it's an e.l.f. one, and I'm gonna keep that in there because I am trying to use this up. I have 2 mascaras, the Maybelline Colossal Smoky Eyes Mascara and the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. These are my last 2 mascaras. Even though I'm not a fan of them, I'm quickly trying to work through them and just use them up. So I'm gonna keep both in there because they're both kind of not that great. So I just layer them together and try to use them up faster. For makeup brushes, I think I'm gonna keep everything that I have in there. This is the case for the lashes that I have right now. The Ardell Double Up Double Wispies, my absolute favorite. So gonna keep this in there to keep my lashes in. Lip products, I definitely have way too many in this drawer for what I need. 4 are all chapstick. Thinking I will just keep out my EOS one since it's basically almost done. These 3 can go to a separate drawer. I have 2 bright colors. This one's red, this one's more of a really dark pink. I'll keep out the e.l.f. one because it's literally almost finished. I'm just trying to scrape out whatever's left at this point. And then I have this pink gloss from Makeup Forever. I'll keep this out again for those days where I want to go out and look a little bit cuter. All of my beauty tools, I'm just going to keep in a corner. For eyeshadows, I don't think I'm necessarily going to be reaching for all of these. So I'm going to cut it back. I have been using this Pixie one, even though it feels like it's not really doing a whole lot, but I want to power through it, so I'll keep this one out. The Sephora purple eyeshadow crayon, I'm going to keep away save for another time. Benefit highlighter, I've been struggling to use up as an eyeshadow, so probably go to this one after I finish up the Pixi one. And then I'll probably just keep out this eyeshadow palette. It's a Pixi one called Pretty Eye Perfection. It's just one I'm trying to work through clearly, so if I want colors other than just that one basic Pixi one, I'll use. I have a couple of powders. Baby powder is just like an all-purpose product for me. I'll just keep it for like dry shampoo. And this is the face powder that I'm trying to use up. A Rimmel one in Nude Beige. It is a really good powder. It's just been through a lot with me. This will be the main powder I try to use up. Eyelash glue is a necessity, so gonna keep that with my lashes. So this is the drawer and what it's looking like so far. I have a lot of fundamental stuff closer to the back and some of the fun stuff up front. I definitely don't use this many eyeliners every day. So I'm just gonna pull out a couple that I use all the time and the rest can go in a separate drawer. So this is a Buxom eyeliner. It is almost used up, so I'm gonna keep this one out to try to finish it. And I'll also keep one of these e.l.f. eyeliners. It's like the dual-ended ones with a chrome stick at the end. I feel like I always need to have one of these out because every time I put on false lashes, this is the best eyeliner I find to go with it. I'm gonna have one of those. And then I think I might keep out my nude eyeliner just because I don't have any other ones in my everyday makeup drawer and I really like it. And the rest of my eyeliners are just gonna go somewhere else. So now I'm just gonna sort through all the stuff that's like left over that doesn't belong. Okay, so this is all that I am left with after moving everything else away. I have a Drunk Elephant face cream. It's just a little one. Maybe I'll keep it in my everyday makeup drawer. I'll just use it up. I don't know. There's no point in holding on to it when it's such a small size. I mean, that's what it's for, is using it, right? I actually found this Olay Regenerous Night Cream. It is really, really good. I loved it. And I didn't even realize that I finished it completely and it was just hanging out in my drawer. I'll add this to my empties. I found my Clinique concealer, so I'll add this to my everyday drawer. I'm swapping out the blush that was in there. I have this Tarte one, Fanciful, and I was using it every day. I'm gonna switch it for an older blush that I have. So this is like my Tarte blush and it's in the shade Magic. Really similar, just a bit of a brighter pink. But I want to start working through this one because it's older. And then I also found a Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. I haven't actually tried this yet. Pretty sure Hillary gave this to me. So I'll add this to my drawer so I can use this mask every night. So I rearranged the drawer, moved some things around since I didn't realize it would be this empty. But yeah, this is the new overview of my drawer. So I have brushes, a little bit in the back, some skincare stuff, eyeshadows, primer, concealers, foundation, blush, lippies, powders, eye stuff. So eyeliners, mascaras, lashes, and then just my little tools. And that is everything, completely organized. My new everyday makeup drawer. Hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you want more, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.